A sudden blizzard pushed this winter trip beyond mere adventure and transformed it into a true battle for survival. As temperatures plummeted and the snowstorm raged, the only option was to build shelter under a large rock to protect against the wind and retain heat. The video vividly portrays the entire survival process, from stacking rocks for shelter and building a fire in freezing conditions to enduring the bitterly cold night. No amenities, no escape route, only snow, wind, and freezing cold testing every decision. This is the most authentic example of winter camping, where survival skills and courage determine survival in the wilderness.